up, you guys? It's girl Tatiana, aka Lola. Welcome back at mi canal and welcome back to another video. If you guys read the title, if you guys are K-pop fans, yes, I'm doing an unboxing of the new album of GOT7. Y'all, you're getting 2 K-pop videos this week. First was a Monsta X video when I went to see him last weekend. I still can't believe it, but anyway. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and join the Funny Bunny family and press the notification bell and also follow me on my both Instagrams. Let's get this video started. Let's just do this. Okay, guys. So I pre-ordered this album, and it said you will get like 1 out of 7 photo cards. I'm just like. I'm just like speechless right now. Let's just open this because I already saw the photo card. You get a free photo card if you pre-order it. Pre-ordered this like a month ago, I believe, and it's just goddamn. But it came from Korea, so I ordered it from here. K-pop. This is where I get all my K-pop albums. You guys, I have Jackson Wang's photo card. Do you see that? Jackson Wang's photo card. I got Jackson Wang's photo card! Oh my god. Who would have thought I got Jackson Wang's photo card? And it's... I'm just like, what the heck? Like... This is going on my Jackson wall. Because I have a Jackson Wang little thing right here with tons of his pictures. So this is going to go right there. I'm so excited. If you guys are new to my channel and you're watching this because you wanted to see the unboxing, just to let you know, my favorite group is actually GOT7 and then Monsta X. But I had to get this album of GOT7 because, you know, I love these boys and I need to collect all of them. I'm missing a few of their albums, but you know what? Time will tell. So this is the box, you guys. I think the box is really, really pretty. Like, honestly, it's blurry. Why is it blurry? So this is the box right here. It has the big 7, has all their names on them. Let's see if I could say all their names. You got Mark, you got JB. Right? You got Jackson, you got Jin Jung, you got Jung Jae, you got Bam Bam, and you got Yoongi. And the songs: Truth, Drive Me to the Moon, Na Na Na, True, Don't Care About Me, and Don't Leave Me Alone. I like 3 and number 4. So. I wonder who I get. Oh, in the back, it's just the 7. Okay, I wonder who I get. This is so exciting. Like, I'm thinking, like, I hope it's JB, or I'm hoping it's a Jackson. Either of those 2. I don't have a Jackson one. I've never gotten like a book just about Jackson, so I'm hoping. Okay. I like the color. It's green. I got Jackson! Oh. Look how good he looks! I got Jackson Wang. I've never had anything of Jackson Wang from GOT7 like this. And all their, like, albums I have his, like, vinyl worker from his solo career, from his first album, but... Oh my god. Is Jackson on the photo thing? Oh my god. All of them look amazing, you guys. They look... Let's see what photo cards I got, because I don't even know what are the noises I'm making. Okay, photo cards that I got. Okay, yo got it. I got. I'm just like. I just had a brain fart right now. I got Jin Jung. looking scrumptious. I got JB and the other one of JB. Wow, you guys. Okay, what else is in here? Wow, you guys. Look, it's freaking Jackson Wang. He is looking so good right here. Like, look at that. Look at this. I just love K-pop albums. I always say that in every freaking thing, but I love K-pop. I'm making too much noise because I'm so hype. Oh my god, I'm like so hot right now because it's so hot in my room right now. Oh my god, you guys. Estoy feliz. Like, aquí está mi futuro. No, I'm just joking. I love my boyfriend. Aquí está mi futuro best friend. Mi mejor amigo. La persona que me va a enseñar cómo bailar, teach me how to dance and stuff. Oh my god, this is just a good. I'm jacked. You guys can't really tell my bias is obviously Jackson Wang, but it's also JB. First it was JB, then Jackson Wang. So this guy takes pictures so good. Like, honestly, mira este muchacho. This was actually my mom's bias. This was her favorite out of all of them, to be honest. Jackson Wang is such a cutie. My boyfriend already knows that. Sorry, boyfriend. Oh my god. Okay, what is this? Is this a poster? You guys, I'm gonna do a K-pop login. I used to have one, but I got so much stuff from Monsta X this weekend, so now I got 7. Girl, I'm gonna put everything. This is all about Jackson. It's all about Jackson. Oh my god. I need to get a photo frame for this. Oh my god. We have a other one. Oh, girl, I am like, I hope it's like the whole group. Or if it's Jackson again. Oh my god. Ah, it's the whole group. Ah! Ah! Oh my god, they look so cute. Was this worth the money? C. It was worth the money and the shipping. And here's the CD. It's a bit blurry, but yeah, it's worth the money. Guys, I didn't even think I was gonna get Jackson Wang, to be honest. Like, can GOT7 have a tour again so I could go see him again? Because honestly, if you're a GOT7 fan, comment down below If you made it this far to the video, comment down below who is your bias from GOT7. It could be, just name your bias. It doesn't matter if you have 2 bias, but just name it. Personally, I love this album. I love the songs on this album. I just think GOT7 is just like, to me, it's my favorite group. And to me, it's like the best group out there. But that's my opinion. So it's not everybody's opinion. Some people don't like GOT7 like I do. But you guys, I'm surprised. I got Jackson motherfucking Wang. I got a photo card of him. A free photo card of him. And then I also got JB and I got Jing Jung. I'm just like speechless, to be honest. Like, oh my god, this has been an amazing week so far. My weekend was really amazing last weekend too. I'm just like, oh my god. I'm in shock of all the things I got from this album. I'm just like speechless. And you got 2 videos this week? Oh my god. So you guys, that has been it for my video. Give me a thumbs like if you like K-pop. Give me a thumbs like if you like GOT7. No matter what K-pop, give me a thumbs like. I still can't believe I got Jackson Wang, you guys. I'm still in shock. I'm going to be doing another unboxing. Well, other unboxing of Monsta X and see what I got. Because I got an album of theirs when I went to the concert. Shout out to my boyfriend who bought me all the stuff that I showed in my last video. The video will be down below. I am so happy for everything I got. Follow me down, my links down below. Also follow me on my TikTok. I barely use my TikTok, you guys, but I've been posting videos when I went to see Monsta X on concert. So go ahead, go check it out. It's bunny x_100. So yeah, that has been it. That has been me, and I'll see you guys next time in the other video. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy the Funny Buddy family, because I'm your bunny and you're my funny buddies. Okay. Okay, now I can say bye. Okay, bye.